This expandable container house is not bad. How many loading of 140 feet high keel? Wow, the shipping cost is very high. And how much of this product? 1,000? $10,000? Wow, that's very expensive. I want the other one. This tiny expandable container house looks very interesting. How many people can fix it? And how many times? 2 minutes? Okay, show me. Wow! What a perfect, tidy, expandable container house! Good! How much of this product? 5,000? 4,000? 3,000? Wow! It's very attractive price. I take 340 feet high keel.